What we will discuss today is one of the most important questions. Unfortunately, many people think and have in their mind before deciding for liposuction. Hi, I'm Dr. Rajat Gupta, a board certified plastic surgeon working in Delhi, India. So we will be discussing about cost of liposuction surgery today. One has to understand that liposuction surgery is not only a surgery, it is an art. It is an art because we will be sculpting your body. Your surgeon needs to be expert in sculpting both male and female bodies differently. Especially if you are a female, your surgeon should know how to give you an hourglass shaped body. Or if you are a male, your surgeon should know and have an art to sculpt you in a V-shaped athletic body. Now, there is no price to an art. Similarly, there is no price to an artist surgeon who is sculpting your body. That is the first consideration one has to keep in mind who your surgeon is. Whether that surgeon is an artist, can sculpt your body shape into your desired shape. The second important reason why the cost may differ from different centers is the tools they use. As in previous videos, I've explained there are different technologies of liposuction. I have not used classical liposuction for last 6 to 7 years. I use technologies like micro air, which is a power assisted liposuction device, or Vaser, which is an ultrasound assisted liposuction device. We own both these devices. We are the first and only one as of now in North India to have both these tools. What do these tools do? They decrease the tissue trauma during surgery. They reduce the swelling after the surgery. They reduce the bruising after the surgery, which all make sure that you have faster recovery process. Also, these tools helps in making sure by your surgeon that your procedure and your result is absolutely smooth. You do not have any lumps and bumps or pockets of fat left after liposuction. Hence, these tools ensure that you have a better result after surgery. Obviously, the cost of surgery will differ if you are using a classical liposuction or a liposuction done using these tools. Both of these tools are US FDA approved and are globally recognized as one of the best tools to achieve best results after liposuction. The third important criteria is in which center are you getting your surgery done? Is this center an accredited hospital or is it a clinic or a nursing home? Why this is important is a surgery should always be done in a surgical setup or a suite which is accredited by the national authorities and has all the required infrastructure to take care of the patient and ensure safety every time. One should make sure that the cost cutting is not done by doing the surgeries at some centers which are not fully equipped. Remember, most of the times there will not be any issues, but if you have any issue, it can be life endangering. So the most important is in the facilities you operate. I make sure that every time I do my surgery, it is only at centers which are fully equipped, have full infrastructure to take care of any issues during the procedure. Another important thing which can impact the cost of surgery is how many surgeons are doing your surgery. Now, obviously, a surgery is done by a team lead plastic surgeon. Whether that plastic surgeon is helped by a team of other plastic surgeons or not. Now, this is important. Why? Because understand, it's a team game. There is a limit to which a person can work and can ensure everything going into the surgery goes on smoothly. If there are 2 or 3 plastic surgeons working together under one team leader, plastic surgeon, your result is ensured to be much better. So you see, there are multiple reasons why the cost of surgery will differ from one center or one doctor to another center or doctor. Obviously, getting the surgery cheapest is not the best option you should opt for. I believe every doctor want to keep the price under control and as affordable for their patients. I do that. I'm sure every doctor does that. But there is a limit to what affordability we can offer to our patients because of the reasons I talked about. One has to make sure that their surgery is done by a good surgeon who has good experience using tools and the latest techniques in liposuction. Their surgery is done in an accredited and safe center. The surgery is done by a team of experienced plastic surgeons doing liposuctions. And this all ensures that you have great result, keeping in mind that the surgery is kept absolutely safe. Recently, for last couple of years, I've started getting a lot of redo cases after liposuction. Now this has to be kept in mind as well. I get a lot of patients who have had liposuction done from several places. There are a lot of general surgeons who are not trained plastic surgeons also doing liposuction surgeries. I've started getting a lot of patients who have had liposuctions done from such doctors with a lot of uneven results or undesirable effects after surgeries. They may have a lot of fat liposuction in certain areas and not from other areas. They may have a lot of irregularities. They may have loose skin left after liposuction. They may have caused certain burns after liposuction. I do a lot of redo surgeries on such patients. Now understand, redo surgery is much more draining financially, emotionally, physically, and psychologically. Even then, it's very difficult to give you the best result what you can get out of your primary surgery if you do it after second or third session. The first surgery is always your best attempt. Hence, I believe one should not compromise on your cosmetic surgery needs, on your cosmetic surgeon. Always go for someone who you believe in. Always check the infrastructure, the techniques, the tools, and the surgeon's repertoire and decide your surgeon. Always choose the surgeon who you believe is an artist and can give you a better version of your own self. If you have more questions, keep posting us your questions and I am always there to help you. Thank you.